HMI's biggest night comes to Miami. It's the 8th annual prestigious Haitian Music Awards, Saturday, January 13th at the Julius Littman Performing Arts Theater, North Miami, as we present awards to the culture's top country and performers. With this year nominees: Safam, Nula, Class, Sinclair, Michel Guillaume, T-Vice, Chapot, Harmonie, Betjean, Kadila, Kai, Gabel, Oswald, Manu Beats, Rudy Rude Boy, Reginald Cagé, Five, Darlene Descar, Annie Alain, Blondie D. Ferdinand, Rock Fam, Florence Luce, and honoring Richard Duozo, Gary DJ Perry, KK Billy's here with intermission by DJ Paz and DJ FMA and more. Saturday, January 13th, inside the Julius Littman Performance Art Theater, 17011 Northeast 19th Avenue, North Miami. Visit HaitianMusicAwards.info and vote for your favorite artists. Tickets are on sale now at eventbrite.com. For info, call 786-357-9558 and join us for the after party with Sinclair at Cats.